Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Minakshi, a NEET aspirant, and thank you so much for clicking on the video. Welcome back to one more episode of A Day in My Life, and I think this day is going to be very nice because the weather is so good. I woke up at 8 o'clock and then it took me 1 hour to get done with all of the daily routines, and I started my studies from 9 o'clock. After getting done with chemistry, I started biology, that is human reproduction, and I'm trying to get my NCRTs done right now. After getting done with my studies, I came downstairs, and as a festival in Odisha, that is Raja, is going on, so that's why so much of food is being cooked today. While I was going to take rest, I came to know that Lakshya NEET modules has arrived, and I was literally dancing with happiness after seeing those beautiful modules. We'll be definitely reviewing these all later in this video. Until then, just take a look at it. Aren't these looking beautiful? I took my chai upstairs at around 4 o'clock and got started with my Lakshya NEET lectures at around 4:40. As I was also one of the students who was really very excited for all of the modules to arrive over here, and at last they are here. So let us take a look at it. And I just want to tell you that in each of the subject we got 4 modules with that explanation book as well. In like 3 other subjects it's same explanation book is really must. If you have any of the doubts and any of the questions from the modules, you can just check the answers out from there. It has really nice diagrams as well, just to make us understand all of the concepts and all of the questions, not concepts, only questions, and which we have doubt. And these are actually NEET oriented modules as much as I have checked them out till now. Like here it is written NEET full course biology, and on the top page we have Alexa, and the back side also we have Alexa who will be motivating us to study. And this is the module 1. This is really NEET oriented. I have just take a look. So this is the past year NEET trend, from which you'll be able to know that how many questions will be had arrived in past year papers, and also the predicted number of MCQs, how much number of questions can be arrived or can be taken from this chapter, and also the critical concepts, the concepts which are really very important, and also the perfect practice plan. And the thing is, the notes which are written over here are to the points, and the most important thing is all of the thing is NCRT based. All of the important points are written in these kind of boxes, which is really very good, so that we'll able to know that this one is really important, so we should not leave it. With that, proper diagrams are given over here. You'll be feeling like the teachers are only teaching us just through the modules, so it's really very good. With that, there are a lot of questions as well. Here is the topic wise questions you'll be getting, like asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, and with that, here are the NCRT based question for board examinations, and as well as for NEET, you can just try it out. And also multi-concept question, just like HOTS question, it's kind of that. And with that, we have NEET past 10 years question, and we have answer keys as well. So the trend is same in all of the books, in all of the modules. In physics as well, there is the same trend. You're able to know the past year trend, you're able to know the predicted number of questions, same in every modules. It's really very good, and I'm definitely going to buy Arjun NEET module as well, because I really found this one really very helpful for me. So yes, this was the review. So here is the fun thing and also a very interesting thing. Those who admire Alexa most will definitely able to understand this. When I used to keep my module like this on my table, and then I used to think like I'll be just not studying right now, I'll be studying later, and then I look at Alexa like ab to padna padega yaar. And then what I used to do is I used to put this module like this so that I'm not able to see his face, but guess what, he's in the back side as well. तो लगता तो पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा यार. So what he used to do is he used to push all of us to study. That's really very good thing, you know. Great respect for Alexa. After getting done with all of that, I attended my bio lecture at 7 o'clock. And after getting done with my live class, I again went downstairs to have my dinner, and with that I filled my water bottle just to stay hydrated, and again came back to my room. At around 10 o'clock, I got started with biology revision, and also with that got started with what Tarun sir had taught in today's lecture. With that, I also started chemistry and practiced both of them till 11 o'clock. Here I'm doing physics just to make sure that I'm going properly the way I should be going in physics. And to be honest, I'm finding a bit more difficulties in chemistry rather than physics, and I'm trying harder for it, and I hope that I'll be also getting done with chemistry perfectly. And here also I'm doing chemistry, and I'm trying to get it done by reading all of the modules as well, because I find the modules are really great, and yeah, these are helping me out. So yes, this was a day in my life, and thank you so much for watching this video till now. And if you like this video, then consider subscribing my channel, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We'll be back with some of more videos like this, and yeah, keep sharing my videos with your friends if you find them helpful. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.